everyone, we're going to simplify roots of real numbers, and these are our three problems. The first one's fairly easy if you know your powers of 2, because we're doing the fifth root, and if you know your powers, you know that 2 to the fifth is 32. So we can just write this as the fifth root of 32 equals 2. Okay? And then for the second one, a little harder if you don't have a calculator, but I do notice that we have a 256 here. So I know that 16 squared, or 16 times 16, equals 256. Therefore, I could say, well, 4 times 4 for 16, and then 4 times 4, that also equals 256. So I know 4 to the fourth equals 256. So I'm going to rewrite this 256 as 4 to the fourth power. Now, when you take that, that's just going to be -4. And the last one is this one. So basically, this is just the square root of this. And when you take the square root of it, we're going to factor this as x plus 5 squared. This is a perfect square trinomial. And then when you take the square root of the square, it just comes out. So it's just going to be x plus 5. Now, since this is to the first power, this is an even number, this is odd. If I put a negative number in here, this is going to be positive. But if I put a big enough negative number in here, it's going to be negative. And all we're doing is simplifying, so we have to have the same outcome. So when you're simplifying this, what you're going to do is put absolute values on here. So if you do pick a big enough number in there to make it negative, it's going to change it to positive. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.